Hey, welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you how to make this quick mushroom creamy pasta. It's real easy. These are the ingredients that you will need. So let's get started. But before we do, if you haven't followed already, follow along so you can keep up with all the great recipes and ideas. All right. So for mine, what I used was onion, Parmesan cheese, mushrooms. I used 3 types of mushrooms, but you can use just one type. You're going to need some pasta, whatever one you choose. Garlic. I am using garlic that is already chopped, but you can cut your own garlic. I'm going to use a bouillon cube for the flavor of the pasta, heavy whipping cream, butter, and seasonings of your choice. All right, so first you're going to cut up your onions, your mushrooms, and then your garlic if you're going to be using fresh garlic, but I'm going to be using chopped garlic. And you're going to get your olive oil, get your pan ready, heat it up, toss in your mushrooms. And then you're just going to cook those for a few minutes so they can tender up. While you're cooking them, you can put in your seasonings. I'm going to use steak seasoning because I love the way it tastes because it adds like a meaty flavor. But you can use whatever seasonings you want. I'm also going to put in a little bit of an Italian seasoning because I do like the taste of that too. You don't want to over season it because you will be seasoning your pasta too. All right, so after that cooks for a little while, you can put in your onion and about 2 tablespoons of butter. You're going to let your butter cook down, let your onions brown a little. And then you're chucking your pasta, which I forgot to say, I added a bouillon cube to the pasta water for flavor, but you can add whatever seasoning you want. Then I'm adding in a healthy 2 to 3 tablespoons of the garlic because I do like the garlic taste. You're going to mix all that up. Let that cook for a few more minutes just to let all the flavors seep in and everything good happen. And then you will add about 1 cup of the heavy whipping cream. And this is your sauce, basically. If you wanted to add any more seasonings at this point, you could. But for mine, it had enough flavor, so I didn't add anymore. And then you can always add stuff after, like we always add garlic salt to everything, so I try not to over season. And then you can add in your Parmesan cheese too, and you're done. And you have a great pasta that everyone will love. If you liked, please give it a big old thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.